So one of the first things that you have to do when you set up the Thinkkeen AI mouse is you install this software, which gives you this driver, and it gives you this configuration software. So on the device side, you've got voice access. There's a button where you can click it to enter and send, and then if you long press it, it will allow you to do voice input. But you can also configure the long press to be voice translation, voice assistant. You can do whatever you want. There's a translation button on here, which will allow you to do a translation of one language to another. The AI button opens the AI assistant, which is this AI button right here in the middle. And it tells you on these buttons here on the diagram what it is that you're affecting. The long press gives you voice input. So if you long press on the AI button, it will also do voice input. So you've got long press here on the mouse button. So you don't have to, you could actually just click this and it'll allow you to talk right into it. It has a microphone built into the mouse. There's auxiliary settings. I don't have that set up right now, but I think at one point I had it at 1600. So we're going to leave it there. The AI settings. So this is different speech to text. You can change the language. You can so you can pick any number of languages here. Obviously, I speak English. You can do English to, if you want to change it from English to Chinese, you could do English to, let's say, Spanish. There it is. So you can change it there. You can do that for ScreenWord and OCR, where you can change your English to Chinese and whatever. Different settings, voice search settings. Right now we're using Google, but you could also choose it to Yandex or Yahoo. And then you can personalize. You can create your own commands. And this has the software itself. So that's pretty much all you need to do. So then once you get to this point and you've configured your mouse, so you click the AI button and it'll open up this software here. And then this is where you can use the AI. So let me pull something up here. So the AI assistant, I kind of had it do, I asked it a question and it wrote this for me here. But you can ask any number of questions and it will give you basically any knowledge that AI can find. So if I click here and I say, give me a recipe for chocolate chip cookies with walnuts. Okay, and then if I short press the button instead of long press for talking, by short press it's like enter. So you go here. Now it's getting my request. Says sure. Here's a delicious recipe for chocolate chip cookies with walnuts, and it just gives you a recipe. So instead of using Google, you can just have it created for you. Very cool, very fun, all from the mouse. So this next section here is the AI PowerPoint. So I am just going to pick one of the built-in ones. It says, can you try entering develop trends with new energy vehicles? So if I want to generate a AI PowerPoint, I click here and I say this. Now, first thing it's going to do is it's going to create the outline of the PowerPoint. And it does it in seconds. And then I'm going to say generate the main text. Boom. And now it's creating the main text of my PowerPoint. Okay, so now we're done with the main text. So now it says select PowerPoint template. So I click there, and here's templates it's giving you. Now you can pick different categories of templates, and you can just pick any one of them. So I'm going to pick this red and black simple business plan. All right, so now it's doing that. And now it's going to allow me to save this to anywhere on my hard drive. So I'm just going to save this to downloads, and I'm going to say, I'm just going to do new energy, red, black. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to upload a vehicle or upload a file. And I want to go to downloads. There's my new energy vehicles, red and black. Oh, that might not have worked because I don't think it saved it right. Hold on a second. Let me try it one more time. We're gonna maybe because I changed the name, it didn't like that. We'll save it this way. Ah, there it goes. All right. So it's saved. So now I'm going to come here. I'm going to upload a file. There it is. So apparently it doesn't like if you do that. And now it's uploaded. And then I can click on it. And now here is my PowerPoint. And I can change it, edit it, whatever, and I don't have to pay for PowerPoint. I can just use Google Docs instead. Slideshow, boom. And I built a perfectly legitimate business quality level PowerPoint in minutes with the AI mouse. So now here we got AI drawing. All right, so now I had to just do a Corvette for me, but I'm going to say, here, this is pirate ship sailing under. All right, so let's do that. So we're going to do. I would like to see a pirate ship sailing under a full moon at night. And then click send. And now it will take a few minutes to draw. And you can make this as detailed or elaborate as you want. It does take a little bit of time on the AI drawing because there is a certain amount of creation that goes into this. It's not like just text, so drawing a picture or an image does take a little bit longer. All right, there you go. There's our pirate ship under a full moon at night. That is pretty awesome. Look at the image. That is beautiful. Wow, that is really cool. And there you go. I mean, this is what it does. It's so cool. Now, if I didn't want to wait any longer, I could say, can you add a monkey in here and put some pirates on the ship? And you could do all sorts of stuff, but I don't want to mess around, but you can make it as elaborate as you want. Let's go on to the next thing. Okay, so AI writing basically will write different types of articles for you. So if I could put in here and I could say, can you write me a short article on the benefits of eating healthy? All right, so it's going to build the outline of this, all the topics, and then you click generate main text, and there you go. It's building the article word for word for you on the fly, super quick. I mean, it's pretty amazing. Move on. Mind map. Okay, so I had to create something called a marketing plan for my BigdaddysWorld. So we are going to change this. So we're just going to pick one of these. Atomic structure, whatever that is. Hit send. And what a mind map is it is like a visual idea, a visual way to see ideas. So this says atomic structure, components of an atom, protons, charge, location, nucleus, neutrons, neutral, nucleus. All right, so then it gives you a list of things here, and then you just click mind map, and it builds this graphic for you which you can then download into a PNG, download as HTML, and you can, use this for whatever you want. Like if you had some way to do this, if you're at a school project or some kind of work project, you could do it. You could also use this to help you create, generate ideas or think up new ideas. So AI table, I had it create a table that's listing all my different product reviews. Obviously, these are just generic ones it came up with, but you have the rating, the link to the review, key pros, key cons. I mean, and you can edit this. I could say, let's see, change the name of review link column to link to review. And then I click send. And now the name of the column is link to review instead of review link. So I mean, you can have it modify it as you need it, and it will build this table for you. And the cool part here is you can export it to Word or Excel or chart. You can copy, paste it somewhere else. Very cool. Image analysis. So now I uploaded this image here of my mosquito lamp thumbnail, and the only text in here is the name of the product, which is the model number of the project, which is the J08, and it is called the mosquito killer lamp, and it does pull up mosquito killer lamp as the text. So this is the AI mouse. On this button here, this is the voice control. So if I click it once, it's like clicking an enter. And if I hold it down, this is, it'll like take dictation. There's a microphone in the mouse. This is the AI button. So that when I was saying hit the AI button, if you click the AI button, this opens up the AI on screen, the AI application on screen. The M button is the translation button. So you can use the M button to open up a thing and do translation from one language to another. It's got the typical mouse roller, left mouse button, right mouse button, and then on the bottom, this is where the dongle is stored. If you're not using it, you'd store it here. This is the power button, and then there's a little button here. You can switch this button from 2.4 gigahertz dongle to Bluetooth 1 or Bluetooth 2. And it does have a link here for where you can get the software for the driver. One of the cool things about this mouse too, it has really quiet buttons. Like I'm clicking them now. My screen's over here doing crazy stuff. You can't hear them at all. Now, my Logitech mouse, click, 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 click. That works too, but very quiet. I kind of like it. Overall, this is really cool. The Thinkkeen AI mouse, the AI does work. It's very cool. I like it. It would be a great mouse, great gift for someone who's kind of into tech and AI and all that nerdy stuff. So yeah, this is really cool. You can pick this up online. I'll have a link to where you can buy it down in the notes below. But this is awesome, guys. This is really cool. This is a 5 out of 5 Big Daddy certified. Check it out. I like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, tap that notifier bell so you know when the next video comes out. Remember, yeah. Share this video with your friends, your neighbors, your relatives, everybody you know who's into cool, nerdy, techie things. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.